Deep underground, the new Roma Street rail station is taking shape.
Significant progress has been made on the Cross River Rail's Roma Street site.
The escalators are installed and the train tracks are in.
Tonight we can take you underground to see progress on the new Roma Street Cross River Rail Station.
10 escalators have been installed and panels for walls and ceilings are being fitted. New Vision shows the sheer scale of the project unfolding under our streets.
Behold the future of train travel in Brisbane. Deep under the city, major construction is underway.
The project is edging closer to completion thanks to a crew of 250 workers pulling together what's being described by the government as the centre of what will become Queensland's most significant transport interchange. Major construction due to be completed next year, followed by extensive testing before first services are due to begin a year later.
46,000 people are expected to use it daily by 2036.
The finished product, including artwork, will look like this.
This is the part that's really starting to take shape. By 2026, trains will be using these tunnel networks 27 metres underground
to service a growing city into the future.